Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you're watching the post-market show. And let us look at today's market, and you can see that the markets today was quite volatile. It was an expiry day, monthly expiry, and markets definitely opened with a gap up because the situation was slightly bullish. US markets ended 2% in the positive, and we thought that this is the much needed pullback coming in, but it was not sustained. Market started selling off immediately, and the first candle was the high of the day, and the market started falling. Nifty at one point of time broke 16,800, and but then it recovered, but again it came and closed just above 16,800 at 16,818, down by 0.24%. So it was a continuously downtrending day is what we can see. Bank Nifty, same thing happening, opening above 38,000, and then it could not sustain. It made a high of 283, but then started selling off, and it fell and it broke yesterday's low. So that was very interesting, but then towards then it started to recover, but again it came under severe selling pressure is what we are seeing. So Bank Nifty down by 0.3%, down by 112 points. So overall situation is again it's looking bearish, and we will be coming to the global markets as well. It has again turned bearish after some announcements, so we will be coming to that. But apart from that, we are seeing that the large caps had a bad day, but mid caps they are up by 0.4%, and small caps are also up by almost 0.57%. So very interesting to see that mid caps and small caps are doing well, but it is the large caps who are under selling pressure today. And it was an expiry day. It was you can't rule off these kind of situations on an expiry day. So yeah, Ronak is there. Hello, yeah, hi Ronak. I hope you have had a great expiry, and it was a pretty easy downtrending expiry. So yeah, I also shorted the Bank Nifty almost at the day's high, and captured some good amount of points over there. And okay, coming to the sectoral indices, all the sectors ended in the mix. Interestingly, PSU Bank Index did well, up by 1.16%, and but Nifty Private Bank it was weak today by 0.2%, and Nifty Financial Services are also down by 0.5%. And Nifty Pharmaceutical Index is pretty strong. It is up 1.33%. So even in a bear market, we are seeing that pharmaceutical index is continuously outperforming for the last few days. Nifty Energy came under selling pressure. Reliance is again down today. Nifty IT could not hold. Infosys is up, but TCS came under huge selling pressure, pulling the IT index down today is what we are seeing. FMCG had a good day because of ITC. It recovered from its low, so it could be a possible pullback, and there could be further selling from this. So we have to see how ITC trades in the coming days. And Asian Paints, which we were thinking of a possible breakout, it seems like it was a fake breakout. It was a kind of a pump and dump situation. Asian Paints came under huge selling pressure, down by 5.2% today. Came under yesterday's low as well. So that is also definitely interesting to see. Dr. Reddy continuing its up move, up by 2.1% is what we are seeing. And Reliance Industries again fell by 0.3% today, and it is at 23.25. So that is the overall situation in the markets. Index movers: ITC, ONGC, Hindalco, M&M, Infosys. These are the top gainers today. Top losers include Asian Paints, obviously falling by 5.2%. Then Kotak Bank, the banking sectors, mostly the private banks, and TCS, they are the ones which are down. So overall situation, the large caps are significantly down is what we have seen already. And coming to the global markets, before that there are two data which came out. German inflation data came at 10%, again higher than expectation. German markets are down because of that. And coming to the US GDP growth rate, it came at again negative 0.6%. So again the US GDP growth rate was expected to be negative. It came out negative, so US is under recession as well. So that is again causing a mayhem in the US markets. Tomorrow we can expect a gap down yet again. So yes, Ronak is saying expiry was great, was carrying long position overnight followed by short position intraday. Perfect expiry, I would say. Okay, very good. Yeah, it was a clear picture perfect downtrending day. I'm very happy that you made very good expiry. It went perfect for you. So yeah, it went great for me as well. So good to see. Traders make money in the falling markets. That's always there. So I'm glad you had a very good day. So okay, so coming back to the global market, and I was talking about the negativity. If you can see the charts of the German index, it is down 1.7% intraday, especially after the inflation data came out higher than expected. German markets fell, dragging along the French markets as well. UK markets are down 2.4%, and what is interesting is the US markets are down by 2% today. So came open with a huge gap down, followed by a huge red candle, trying to recover a pullback. Again, Dow Jones is falling. It is already at its 52-week low and falling further. Nasdaq is almost touching a 52-week low. Same Nasdaq is very weak today, 3.1% down, and S&P 500 down by 2.58%. So overall, US market is looking quite bearish, and even in the daily charts, it continues to fall and fall, and there seems to be no respite. So again, it is high time that global market should go for a pullback, and US did have a green candle yesterday, but a pullback should have been a stronger pullback is what we were expecting. And even the Indian markets, we should expect a stronger pullback. So it is good that dollar index is fallen 212. Maybe we can expect a pullback in the coming days. And Bank Nifty, if you look at the daily charts, Bank Nifty has been falling for 7 consecutive trading days, and I think this is again a very rare situation. So 7 consecutive red candles in Bank Nifty. So again, the markets are primed for a pullback. So if the market it is already out, overstretched, and maybe it can come down to 37,000, maybe then we can get a pullback. But again, at this moment, if we get a pullback even tomorrow, we won't be surprised, because it's time that markets take a pullback and then the fall will further continue is what I expect. And because one-sided fall does not happen generally. So same with Nifty as well. There should be a pullback around 16,800 should act as a support, and the last level of support I'm looking at it 16,400. That should be a very good support, and then we can expect a pullback from there. So market, if falls around 16,400, those levels, it could be good. And apart from that, on the upside, 17,000 should act as a good resistance, and above 17,000 is where we can go for maybe fresh shorts can be created above 17,000. And at this point of time, creating short is again a very risky thing to do, because at any moment, any good news or anything like that, markets can reverse. SGX Nifty is already indicating another gap down, 16,686 down by 126 points is what we are seeing. So SGX Nifty is again opening, expecting we are going to open with a gap down. Let's see if after tomorrow's gap down opening, if we can recover, because again, people who are holding shorts at this time, they would like to book their shorts, and that can induce a short covering rally. So even that is possible. So let's see how the things go. So overall, the September month, I think it was a bit pretty volatile, but it has ended. Now let us look at the October series and how it goes. So we will definitely look at tomorrow being the first day. Let's see if the market reverses, and if it reverses on the first day, it is again a good sign for the October month. So let's see how what things are ahead of us. So until then, this is all from my side. I hope you had a good expiry. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.